Hello friends, my name is C. Rajendra Arora, and today 21st June 2019 31st GST Council meeting has been held, and it was the first council meeting under the chairmanship of Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, the newly elected finance minister of the country. Though the various suggestions, recommendations have been made by the GST Council, but we will be talking first 5 prominent, pertinent issues which have been recommended by the GST Council. First, the date which we have been waiting, all the entire fraternity, professionals, trade and industry. The last date for filing annual return and reconciliation statement is 30th June 2019. We were expecting this date to be extended. Finally, this date is extended for 2 months. Now the fresh date is 31st August 2019 for filing Form 9, 9A and 9C. Second, when we have been talking about bringing in the new GST return system, that the council has recommended to bring in that system in phased manner. Third change is with respect to the recommendation, I would say, is with respect to ITC 04. This is the form to be filled by the principal manufacturer with respect to the movement of goods within principal manufacturer and the job worker. The due date for filing that form for the period of July 2017 to June 2019 is further extended to 31st August 2019. Fourth change is which is being recommended under Rule 138E with respect to e-way bills. The appointed date for bringing this rule into effect is 21st June 2019, that is today. What does this rule talk about is that if any registered person fails to file GST returns for 2 months or more, then the GST portal shall stop generating the e-way bills on this particular GSTIN. Now this date 21st June, the appointed day for bringing this rule into effect, 21st June, has been further extended to 21st August 2019. Fifth important recommendation made by the GST Council is that they shall bring in the amendment in the GST Act to give effect to those recommendations which have been made by the earlier GST Council meetings. What I visualize, 2 important changes are about to come which the trade and industry and the professionals were actually seeking after. One is that the interest calculation under section 50 shall be from gross to net liability, which is going to give a great respite and reduce or remove the tax litigation in the country. Second, with respect to 180 days, when the recipient fails to pay the payment within 180 days and when the recipient reverses the credit, the provision for interest is provided. So I visualize that interest shall be removed from the law, and when the payment of input tax credit by the recipient is not being made within 180 days, the reversal shall be made but without interest levy on it. My dear friends, I sincerely hope that this video shall be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching it.